Hello everyone. Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, your destination for all things house design ideas. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. Today, we're talking about a design philosophy that is all about light, openness, and an intimate connection with nature. We're diving into the beautiful and intentional world of minimalist glass house designs. So, what exactly is a minimalist glass house design? It's an architectural style where the primary goal is to create a seamless connection between the interior living space and the surrounding outdoor environment. This is achieved by using extensive, often floor-to-ceiling, glass walls and a minimalist aesthetic. The minimalist part of the design focuses on simplicity, clean lines, and a lack of unnecessary ornamentation. The structure is often a simple geometric form, like a box or a long rectangle, with a restrained material palette. By stripping away clutter and solid walls, these homes become a quiet frame for the natural landscape outside, allowing the view to be the main focal point. Why would someone choose to live in a house with so much glass? The benefits are immense and deeply tied to the design philosophy. Firstly, the most obvious benefit is the abundance of natural light. Floor-to-ceiling glass floods the interior with sunlight, making the space feel larger, brighter, and more inviting. This can also reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day, saving energy. Secondly, there's an incredible connection to nature. Living in a glass house means you are constantly in touch with the outdoors, regardless of the weather. You get to enjoy the changing seasons, the sunrise and the sunset from every angle. Thirdly, glass houses often have less of a physical footprint. The minimal design and lack of heavy, opaque walls can make the house feel lighter and more integrated into the landscape, reducing the sense of it being an obtrusive structure. Decorating the exterior of a minimalist glass house is all about enhancing the design without detracting from its main feature, the glass. The key is to create a harmonious balance between the transparent facade and a refined, simple material palette. A great way to do this is by using a restrained color scheme on the solid parts of the exterior, such as black, white, or a natural wood tone. This prevents visual clutter and allows the glass to take center stage. Minimalist landscaping is crucial. Instead of elaborate gardens, opt for a simple, manicured lawn, gravel pathways, or a few well-placed plants that complement the home's lines. The foundation of the home can be a decorative element in itself, so consider a simple concrete slab or a tasteful stone base. Lastly, strategic lighting is essential. Use subtle, upward-facing lights to highlight trees or architectural details, creating a beautiful glow without being distracting. The goal is to make the exterior feel like a natural extension of the clean and simple design inside. Now, let's explore some incredible examples that beautifully showcase the versatility and beauty of minimalist glass house design. Here are our top 10 best minimalist glass house design ideas to spark your imagination. One. Single-story minimalist glass box cabin with a flat roof. Kicking off our list at number 1, we have a quintessential minimalist glass house. This single-story cabin is a simple, boxy form with a flat roof and a clean, thin black frame around the expansive glass. The entire front facade appears to be made of floor-to-ceiling glass, offering a stunning panoramic view. The home sits on a minimalist gravel-covered ground, surrounded by a natural, slightly arid landscape with sparse greenery, creating a stark yet beautiful contrast. 2. Multi-level glass house with a cantilevered upper section. Coming in at number 2, this design is a masterclass in modern architecture. This multi-level glass house features a striking cantilevered upper section that extends out over the grassy hill. The exterior is a bold combination of a clean, dark facade and extensive floor-to-ceiling glass walls. The home has a large wooden deck on the ground level and is nestled in a landscape surrounded by trees, creating a dramatic and immersive experience. 3. Long, single-story glass house nestled in a forest. At number 3, we see a beautiful example of a long, single-story glass house with a flat roof. The exterior features a mix of a solid, dark gray facade and a full glass wall facing the viewer. The house is built on a wooden platform or deck, and a set of stairs leads down to the surrounding terrain. It is situated in a green, forested area, showcasing how a minimalist design can feel perfectly at home in nature. 4. Two-story glass house with a dramatic shed roof on a hillside. For number 4, this two-story glass house commands attention with its dramatic shed roof. The exterior is a dynamic mix of a light-colored facade and a prominent glass wall. A large, wraparound wooden deck provides a significant outdoor living space. The house is built on a sloped, rocky hillside and has a wide view of a vast landscape, proving that glass can be both beautiful and practical on challenging sites. 5. Cantilevered glass house with a dark exterior. Our 5th spot presents a strikingly modern, multi-level glass house with a prominent cantilevered section on the upper level. The exterior is a mix of solid, dark gray siding and expansive floor-to-ceiling glass. The home is located on a sloped, wooded site and has a large deck or balcony, allowing the inhabitants to feel connected to the trees and the view. The clean lines and bold form make it an incredible architectural statement. 6. Dark-framed minimalist glass house in a lush landscape. Coming in at number 6, this minimalist glass house is a beautiful example of form and function. The single-story home has a dark, boxy frame and a flat roof. The entire front of the house appears to be enclosed in glass, with only a small, solid section on the side. The house is set on a simple concrete or stone foundation, surrounded by a perfectly manicured green lawn and trees, creating a seamless transition from the built environment to the natural one. 7. Sleek two-story glass house with a covered deck. At number 7, this sleek, two-story glass house feels both modern and comfortable. The home features a flat roof and an exterior with a clean, white facade and extensive glass walls. A prominent, covered wooden deck with a high ceiling provides a sheltered outdoor space. The cabin is surrounded by a peaceful, natural landscape with tall trees, creating a serene and private living experience. 8. Single-story minimalist glass house with a clean white frame. For number 8, we have a pure and beautiful example of a minimalist glass house. This single-story home has a clean, white frame and a flat roof. The entire facade facing the camera is a continuous glass wall, maximizing the light and view. A wooden deck extends from the living space, and the home is set in a lush green landscape with tall trees and a green lawn, giving it a peaceful, retreat-like feel. 9. Two-story geometric glass house elevated on a hillside. Taking the 9th spot is a two-story, geometric glass house that is both striking and functional. The home has a mix of a solid, dark gray facade and expansive glass walls on both levels. It is elevated and built on a sloped site, allowing it to have a minimal footprint while offering a spectacular view. The clean, modern aesthetic is perfectly suited for its forest setting. 10. Multi-level glass house with a shed roof and wooden deck. And finally, at number 10, we present a beautiful multi-level glass house with a prominent shed roof. The exterior is a mix of a light-colored facade and extensive glass walls. The house is built on a sloped terrain and has a large wooden deck that is partially covered, providing a sheltered outdoor living space. It is situated in a beautiful, natural landscape with a forest in the background, creating a perfect balance between modern design and a natural setting. And there you have it, 10 incredible minimalist glass house designs that prove simplicity and transparency can lead to a truly breathtaking living experience. This design trend is a testament to the idea that the most beautiful homes are often the ones that let nature speak for itself. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best modern glass house design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.